Have you ever wondered where you truly stand on the grand scale of wealth? In today's eye-opening journey, we're diving deep into the 7 levels of wealth, where it's not just about how much money you have in your bank account. Welcome to Wealth Way, where we don't just scratch the surface. We go deep into understanding the nuances of financial success. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear view of your financial standing and the path to financial freedom. Level 1. Dependence. Dependence is where many people begin their financial journey. It's the foundational stage characterized by reliance on someone else, often parents or guardians, to provide for your financial needs. Whether you're a teenager, freshly out of college, or enduring a challenging phase, financial independence may feel like an elusive dream. Even individuals who appear to have everything, like your friend Chad with affluent parents, are considered dependent as long as they receive financial support from others. This phase is pivotal in the path towards financial freedom, serving as a reminder that ultimately, the responsibility for your financial well-being rests with you. It's a call to action, signaling that, as you progress in life, you'll need to transition towards self-sufficiency by earning your income and managing your financial obligations. Embracing this stage with a mindset of learning and growth is essential because it lays the groundwork for building financial literacy and taking control of your financial future. Level 2. Survival. Survival marks the stage where you're navigating the complex terrain of making ends meet while endeavoring to cover your bills without resorting to debt. Shockingly, a substantial 61% of Americans find themselves in this situation, living paycheck to paycheck. The survival phase may encompass various scenarios, such as recent graduates, just embarking on their own careers, individuals who haven't had sufficient time to accumulate savings, or those grappling with the challenges of high living costs. Consider the example of a 27-year-old friend earning $63,000 a year in the expensive Bay Area. Despite a decent income, she finds herself stuck in the survival stage, primarily due to the soaring cost of living, car payments, and inadequate expense tracking. The key to progressing from this stage is twofold: controlling spending by creating a budget and seeking opportunities to increase your income. A valuable exercise involves scrutinizing your financial statements over the last 3 months to gain insight into your spending habits, enabling you to make more informed financial choices. While the survival stage might be challenging, it's a vital phase for acquiring financial discipline and setting the stage for future financial stability. Level 3. Financial stability. Financial stability represents a significant leap forward in your financial journey. At this stage, you've developed the ability to handle unexpected expenses and enjoy a comfortable quality of life. You might even treat yourself to a vacation or 2 each year. Key characteristics include maintaining an emergency fund, typically covering 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, no longer living paycheck to paycheck, and contemplating long-term financial objectives, such as saving for retirement or a home purchase. Reaching level 3 significantly reduces the stress associated with financial matters, allowing you to face life's uncertainties with greater confidence. However, it's important to recognize that you're not yet at the pinnacle of financial freedom. Continuous effort is needed, especially if you have outstanding debts, such as student loans. Achieving financial stability is a crucial step in your financial journey, and it positions you to pursue higher levels of financial success with a solid financial foundation in place. Level 4. Financial security. Financial security marks a stage where you can comfortably cover your bills without undue concern about their cost. Your focus begins to shift towards growing your wealth through strategic investments, allowing you to withstand significant setbacks, such as job loss, for extended periods, typically ranging from 6 to 12 months, without jeopardizing your financial goals. Financial security is not solely about having a high income. It's about living well below your means. It often becomes achievable later in life when variables like family planning and permanent residences are settled, making it easier to predict and manage your annual expenses. At this stage, you can afford to think more about building your wealth for the future, rather than simply maintaining your current lifestyle. Financial security provides a sense of financial comfort and prepares you for the journey towards true financial independence. Level 5. Financial independence. Reaching financial independence is akin to standing on the threshold of true financial freedom. At this stage, you've diligently built a financial fortress that allows you to break free from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. The cornerstone of financial independence is your investment portfolio, which now fully covers your lifestyle expenses. No longer are you bound by the necessity of working for a paycheck. Instead, your investments work for you. This stage has garnered passionate followings in communities like FIRE or Financial Independence Retire Early. To attain it, the key metric is achieving a net worth that's at least 25 times your annual expenses. This isn't just a random number. It's based on the idea that you can comfortably withdraw 4% annually from your investment portfolio to sustain your desired lifestyle indefinitely. Alongside this, you've managed your debts effectively, paying off most, if not all of them. Additionally, you've thought about the financial well-being of your children, ensuring that their future needs are secure. Financial independence is not just about escaping the grind. It's about unlocking true financial freedom, where your choices are no longer driven by the need for a paycheck. Level 6. Financial freedom. Financial freedom is where you've transcended mere independence and have the keys to live life on your terms. At this stage, you've amassed investments that far exceeded your lifestyle expenses. While luxury and indulgence may be within reach, financial responsibility remains a cornerstone of your life. You've cultivated a strong budgeting discipline, not out of necessity, but as a conscious choice to optimize how you spend your time for maximum happiness and fulfillment. You're living life to the fullest, but your financial prudence ensures that you're making the most of your resources. Financial freedom is a state where you don't constantly worry about money. You've put your financial house in order to the extent that it runs smoothly without much active intervention. Your investments are working diligently for you, affording you the luxury of time and choices. It's a sweet spot where you have the freedom to explore your passions, travel the world, or simply savor the moments that matter most to you, all without the weight of financial stress. Level 7. Financial abundance. Financial abundance is the rarefied air of wealth that only a select few attain. Achieving this pinnacle typically demands an exceptional amount of time, an extraordinary windfall, or a combination of both. It often involves scenarios like selling a successful company, going public through an IPO, or benefiting from an unexpected financial bonanza. At this stage, you've amassed more wealth than you could ever need. Money is no longer a concern or a limiting factor in your life decisions. It's not just about personal comfort, it's about making a significant impact on the world. You have the financial power to fund philanthropic ventures, support causes that resonate with you, and leave a lasting legacy. Your choices extend far beyond personal indulgence. You can attend any event, purchase almost anything, or even venture into ambitious projects like starting your own space company. Financial abundance means you're not just living life to the fullest, you're shaping the world according to your vision. It's the realm where financial concerns are no longer in the equation, and you're free to focus on maximizing the positive influence you can exert on the world. So, which level of wealth are you currently in? Assessing where you stand is the first step toward achieving financial freedom. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the 7 levels of wealth. Remember, the path to financial success is not just a sprint, but a marathon. And with the right knowledge and determination, you can progress up the ladder. Until next time, take care and keep striving for your financial dreams.